Hi guys, it's Kayla with Kayla's VSG Journey, and I thought I would just do a quick little update. I had my drain removed today, and I went to the doctor's. The drain removal was horrible. It was extremely painful. It felt like they were ripping my stomach and my throat out through my side. It was super painful and nauseating. I thought I was going to pass out for a second. I honestly did. But luckily, once they pulled that drain, the pain was gone. The nausea is still here. It is 5 o'clock. I had it done at 1:30. I still feel very, very ugh. But it is what it is. I have a lot more energy today than I did yesterday. Last night, I went home. I crashed at 6 o'clock last night, and I slept until 6:30 this morning. And I slept through a whole lot of chaos, I guess. I forgot that we were babysitting my brother and sister-in-law's huge lab. They brought it over. My mother and father-in-law brought over their Camaro, because we have a 3-car garage on our house, and we have a 2-car garage in the back. And they store their 1968 Camaro in our garage for the winter, and I slept through that. My husband had to move 4-wheelers. I slept through that. Slept through the kids going to bed. He put them to bed. I slept through them coming in to give me goodnight kisses. The only thing I remember waking up for was I needed a drink of water and to go to the bathroom, and I was back out. I was knocked out. So today I feel much. Besides the nausea, I'm tired, but I don't feel like I need to go to bed in like 10 seconds, like I did yesterday, so that was nice. And what else? I went to the store, and nothing looks good. I used to go to the store and like walk through the whole store and be like, oh, not that, nothing. I did buy some. So today, so I was talking about these cups. So this is what I've been putting everything in. I got these cups on Amazon with the lids and everything. I think I got 250 of them. And I've been putting everything in these little containers. And it makes it so I don't overeat and feel, if I eat one whole thing of these, it depends on what it's like. The tuna fish, if I eat a whole thing, it is enough. I'm full. I'm done. The chia seed pudding, I can have about 1.5 of those, maybe 2. But my chia seed pudding I made with protein powder and the chia seeds and the almond milk, and it was so good, and I'm so glad I tried it. I wasn't going to try it, but I'm glad I did. I really like it. I got like some turkey for work. It's not obviously for this week or next week, but I had an incident yesterday where the thing I took for lunch went bad, and they almost had to evacuate the whole upstairs because it was that bad. And so I needed to make sure I had something at work in case that happens. So I'm doing pretty good. Tuna fish is going down pretty well. I put the tuna fish in the food processor with a little bit of pickles and a little bit of mayonnaise. And just made it more mushy. And my tummy really likes the tuna. I think I'm gonna go boil some eggs today and try egg salad. Poached egg yesterday. Nasty. So anyway, I'm doing really well, and just taking it one day at a time. But I just wanted to let everybody know I got my drain out and doing great. You don't even have to watch this video if you didn't want to, but for anybody else who had the drain, getting it removed for some people does not hurt at all. For me, it was extremely painful, and it probably would have been a little bit better if I would have had my mom take me and taken a Percocet before, or a Xanax, to calm down. But oh well. But it's out, and it doesn't hurt anymore. And I used to feel like I was like hunched in on myself because that side hurt. And I don't feel that way anymore, so that is really, really nice. And all is well, and I am gonna go home and figure out what to feed my kids for dinner as soon as my other ones are out of tumbling. So have a good one, and I hope everybody's doing well. Talk to you later. Bye.